everybody, Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is a Sunday, January the 10th. We're breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. It's a one boxer. We did random teams for it on the left. Teams and customers have been randomized and alphabetized. We gave them all a chance to trade, and not really many offers going down. We randomed up our 21 boxes before we did any other randoming. We got box number 39. So here we go. Alright guys, well, it is going to be one of our placeholders, but both of the helmets are here, guys, so we just got to find out which one it is, and I'll grab it. Well, bam, not a huge hit, guys. That is going to be the Buffalo slot with the Jake Fromm Vengeance. Let me grab that. Sorry, but I think that was actually like one of our last filler hits there, guys. That was the other one I was talking about when I had said we had one last filler left last night. Bam, guys. It's actually a beautiful helmet, man. The helmet itself is gorgeous. It's got like the metal flake in it and stuff. Really gorgeous fucking helmet. Jake Fromm, Georgia slot, Buffalo, Beckett certification and card on there, baby. Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, I'm happy for you, Spanky, but this has been crazy, man. This series, we have been getting nothing but runs on it, man. I'm telling you, man, this is a beautiful fucking helmet. The helmet itself is just gorgeous, man. Whoa. Alright, just gotta put that back in the other box for right now. Alright guys, so that's really like about your last filler hit. Like I said, you still got your MLB. Other than that, your everything else is not bad at all, guys. Let me get Spanky on that. So that was really about your last filler with the exception of your MLB. But man, this series has been crazy with guys going on runs. Brianna was on a friggin' huge run. Now Spanky is on a little bit of a run. This has been crazy, man. Exactly, that's what it's been like this series, man. It's like if you get a hit, it seems like you're gonna hit 3 or 4. It has been insane. Yeah, it's like once you hit, it's like next thing you know, you're piling them on, man. Alright, 8 times. Well, we got Flip and Dubnik. That is qualifiers number 47 and 48. Again, we give away a golden ticket for a jersey framing at the end of series. This just gives the guys who did not hit during the actual breaks just a second chance to pull out with something there. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, guys. 8 Central. Stop on by Bobby Two Pops Breaks.